Precedent-setting moment as the U.S. Supreme Court heard a local case today involving this question: can police search your cell phone without a warrant? 10 News reporter Michael Chen talked to the local attorney helping argue the case and uncovered clues that may show which way the justices are leaning.
For many, cell phones are the filing cabinets of our lives, from photos and videos to emails. On this day, the question before the highest court in the land: when should police have a right to look through your phone? We talked to local attorney Pat Ford right after his first ever appearance before the High Court.
It's exhausting to go through it, but it's exhilarating at the same time.
Ford's team argued police need a warrant to look through a cell phone if someone is under arrest. Ford says his client David Riley had his cell phone searched. Several photos and videos linked him to a gang member involved in a local shooting, which led to a conviction despite no direct evidence linking Riley to the shooting. On the other side, the state of California said that search was justified because of this.
The court has always said if you're arrested, the police can look through everything that you have. Why should cell phones be treated any differently?
But court observers say the court dropped hints it was not buying that argument because cell phones hold so much private data. For anyone stopped for a seatbelt violation, Justice Scalia said the notion that police could then search their entire iPhone seems absurd. Law professor Alex Cried says the court could issue a split decision of sorts, allowing some cell phone searches and not allowing others.
They could say if you're arrested for certain types of offenses, they could look at evidence for evidence of that crime on the phone.
The Supreme Court expected to issue its opinion in mid to late June. Michael Chen, 10 News.
The government warned that criminals could remotely wipe out a cell phone's data if not immediately searched. Riley's attorneys pointed out there were no real-life examples of that happening. An overwhelming number of San Diegans don't think law enforcement should be allowed to search a cell phone without a warrant. According to our Scientific 10 News UT San Diego poll, 81% of people surveyed said no, only 14% said yes.